This is ridiculous.
They're gonna, yeah.
We're reclimbing this mountain now. Here's our porter. Where's the other porter? I don't even know.
Wait until
We decided to take a break because anytime you see yaks, it's quite a thing. We're getting one of those bells.
We're switching in the middle.
Yeah, the rain, the yak. These porters will haul things up and down this mountain along with these yaks. Are affectionately referred to as Tibetan trucks. Oh, not Tibetan, Nepalese trucks. Hello. Thank you for your service.
You got that, Chief?
Of course.
Good. Who loves yaks?
Yak.
Yak attack.
Crazy.